Hey YouTube, we're back on the old Model A here. Got the pedals off, and this is on the end. Pedals are here, of course, and this is on the end. It's got a pin through it. You soak it real good, and it'll come out. You don't want to, pound it out from this end because it will mushroom it off, and then you'll have big trouble. So anyway, we're headed back to the rear end here. We got the linkage off, hanging here. There's the brake light switch. Put that up there. I got a jack stand under the drive shaft here on wheels. So when I drop this off down, which will be on a jack, hydraulic jack, and I'll move it back that way, this will come out of the transmission here and go back. Right now, our next step is going to be, I think I showed this in another video. I got this bolt here. It's got 3/8 16 on one end and 3/8 24 on the other. This hole is 3/8 24, so where these bolts go in. So I got this here, and then I have made this contraption here. Now you can buy these spreaders here, of course. I think they're 50 or 60 bucks. I'm not sure, but I had fun making this. It's just a screw jack, and a scissors jack. Then this will go in there like this. Of course, that'll be turned around there, and it's gonna be hard for me to do this with one hand. In fact, I think you guys get the drift. And then you spread that spring out so you can get this bolt out. Shackle bolt. In fact, I need to take that bolt out there. I forgot that. And also on the other side. So let me get to it now. I'll get back with you. Okay, we got it all set up here. Put a bar in there. Just when you tighten this up, this comes down on this. So now this worked for me once before. Let's see if it works again. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open this scissors jack, and I'm going to stay out of the way also. And I'm going to spread this spring here out that way to allow me to get that shackle out right there. Hold your breath. We're not quite there yet, I guess. This is very sketchy, I must say. Tried it once with just a threaded rod, and of course it bent, and so I had to weld a piece of angle on there, strengthen it. We got this going on right here. Let's see if we can tap those out. Hold on a second. Yeah, well, I was able to tap these out, or this out, this shackle. I put the nut on this end and tapped it, and then stuck a screwdriver through there and got on this end here and tapped it, and came out, and nothing happened, which was surprising. But anyway, I see I'm going to have to address this issue here. Sorry about that. Let's see here. Before I go put it back together, because I think I'll put a strap, a ratchet strap. Let me get that. Put a ratchet strap right there around here. That'll keep that from bending, because that don't look good at all. But it got it out. So let's release this thing here. Actually, I need to put the hydraulic jack under